Hi everyone! I'll show you how to make the famous filo mix. Oh shit, I don't have take two. Hi! I'm back! Okay. My table's kind of crowded. Because it's crowded. It's really crowded. So how to make the famous filo mix. First, you get the ingredients. These are the ingredients. You get a bowl. Then
bowl is not an ingredient.
You get a bowl after getting the ingredient. What? Okay, so you plug in the ice crusher on the outlet. Of course, you have to. So I'm dripping ice all over the place. This ice is shit. Try to get ice crushed, but crushed. Oh shit. Okay, I'm trying to get ice crushed. And ice crushed. What are you looking at? I can't crush it, I can't put it. I'm so tired. Do it. Okay, I just finished crushing the ice. Crush it a bit. Okay? So now they're in small pieces. Oh shit, it's not perfect. Ah! Don't do this at home.
Don't do that if you're doing
Okay, as soon as you have the ice in small pieces, you can put it on the ice crusher so that you can crush it. Ah! Okay, let's do that again. Put the ice in the ice crusher. Cover the ice crusher. Cover the ice crusher. Fuck. Cover the ice crusher. Yes, cover the ice crusher. Get the excess ice out. So, hold the ice crusher firmly with one hand, and you can see the ice go.
I see chunks of ice on the floor and the sofa.
I can't see them. Get some more ice. Oh, come on. Oh, come on! get some red mung beans, coconut gel, sugar, water, white beans, sugar, palm fruit, makapuno, jackfruit, and natural color.
Say it again, makapuno.
Makapuno. Yes.
How did you say it before?
I didn't hear anything. So you get all those. If you can get them in one container, that's easy. But yeah, you can get them in separate containers. Also, you can get purple yam. Yam. Ube. Okay. Open it. Get generous amount of the mix. So that's where we got the name filo mix, because they're mixed together. You can see they're mixed. Get a generous amount. Goodbye to my diet. Get a lot of those ones there. Oh, this jackfruit. Get some jackfruit also.
Looks like worm.
They look like bugs.
Worm.
It's supposed to be colorful. It's supposed to be red, green. This one is not so colorful. Anyway, once you got the generous amount of it, you open the purple yam. Get a generous amount of it also. Why are you cringing? Is this how you do it? I'm gonna put some more.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Don't do that. It's a lot.
Ice.
Ice fell before. Okay. You get ice cream, ube ice cream, or purple yam ice cream. We got the ones with the makapuno strips, coconut strips. You know, coconut strips. To get generous amount of the ice cream. It fell.
It's not generous, that's all that's left. I finished it earlier.
Yeah, it's not generous because there's no more. There's no more. There's no more. I love the ice cream. Okay, once it's mixed there,
See what you're doing.
set aside empty containers, the knife, whatever you can see that's not there, set them aside. We're nearly there. And then get a generous amount also of this white secret formula. Oh, it's a lot. I'm scared now. Okay. So once you put something, yeah, put generous amount of that white secret formula, otherwise known as milk, and then it's all here. Do this slowly.
Doesn't look appetizing at all.
That's why I'm not showing it to them. Mix them up and hear the sound. It's so.
Get your flan.
Yeah, we're supposed to put flan on it, but we don't have flan. So you can smell it. You can hear it.
I told you not to do it in the living room.
I'll clean it up. Anyway, there you go. I'm gonna give it a taste. Tastes good. Yeah.
Look at the ice in the sofa.
I'll clean it up. It's good. how you make filo mix. If you want to see more of our recipes,
Don't.
let's see it.
Ako kontrabida si mong kinabuhi.
Yeah.
Look at what you did.
This is the person
Jesus.
who's
Stop
been
it, don't-
annoying me.
You have to cut it.